Alright, Daniel here with another Amazon mystery box opening. The aim of the game is to take an Amazon mystery box. Oh my god, this is heavy. Whoa, jeez. Oh my god. Oh. Okay, this is a 50-pound box. Easy. Okay, let me get it over here and I can give you my little spiel. Oh my god. Oh. Sometimes they're heavy. Okay. These are Amazon mystery boxes. We open them on camera and then we sell the contents inside in our store and on eBay and Walmart. The aim of the game is to turn this box into a profit. We track everything on our software. The last box ended up being worth about $240 to us, which was a good box. Not a fantastic box, but a pretty good box. So now it's time to open the next one and see what we get. I have a 7,500 square foot store back there, and that's where we sell a lot of this stuff. Oh, I know what this is. I guarantee you this is full of Play-Doh. Oh, please don't be full of Play-Doh. Damn you Play-Dohs. I can see them. It's the curse of the Play-Doh. Ah, why do you follow me everywhere? God, this is a horrible box. Okay, well, I'm gonna cry. Just gonna cry. These are little beanies. So we're gonna 4 of those. Clothing accessories. So we're gonna track that as clothing accessories. 3, 4, which we assign about $4 value to. And then we've got a bunch of phone cases. What is this? What are these? Oh, we've got more of these. Okay, so they decided to put these heavy things in with the Play-Doh. That was clever. And canned goods. And this huge bottle of whatever it is, weed killer. So yeah, they were trying to make sure that I was sore tomorrow. That's for sure. So anyway, let's get these listed up. So we're at 1, 2, 3, 4, 8, 9 of them. So we already have them in the system. So this is going to be a quick list. 9 at $2.49 a piece. And yeah, my software automatically lists the stuff in my inventory. We use Square to track sales and for our POS, and so the software automatically sends inventory updates and new inventory to my Square system and prints out labels for me that Square will recognize. And so it's really easy for me to just list product really quickly. And one of these days I'll show you guys what happens when it goes out onto the shelf, because that's super cool. I'll show you the whole process from start to finish, because it's really, really cool. 4, 6, 8, 9. 9 cans of dog food, which is great, because people love buying dog food from us. So this is cool. This is a cool feature. So the UPC is attached to a 12-pack. So the system is asking me if I want to sell them as individual units or as a 12-pack, and I want to sell them as individual units. So what it's going to do is it takes the 12-pack comp and then divides it out over 12 to give me my price. Alright, so it says the $1.82 is the comp, so we're going to put them in at 99 cents, and we have gotten 9 of them. So, and the expiration was 09/05/2028. Perfect. Alright, so we're going to get our labels, and then we'll see what this last item is, and then we'll get a final value on this box. So not a super exciting box, but we're going to make some money from it, that's for sure. We sell these boxes for $55 in our store. We sell our Amazon mystery boxes for $55. And so, you know, most boxes have approximately, you know, $200 to $600, $200 to $300 on average, not $600. There are a lot that do have $600, but on average, if you want to set your expectations correctly, you should expect to have about $200 to $300 worth of retail come out of that box. And you know, you're paying $60, $55 for it, and of course you've got the upside potential of finding something in there worth you know, over $1,000. I've pulled out multiple drones, the DJI drones, which are worth $1,400. I pulled out 2 of those. I pulled out Canon camera lenses that are worth a lot of money. Paper lantern. It was $1,400 Canon camera lens that I pulled out, and I think that was the most expensive thing I've ever found. So I'm going to do 2 of these. And they're paper lantern garlands. Okay, I'm going to list them at $3.99. So this is why I love stocking my store with this stuff, because you don't go too deep on SKUs, and you just get the most random mixed variety of stuff that every time a customer comes into the store, they're always seeing different things. So it's a lot of fun for them too. So this box ended up being worth $168 to me. The retail would be about $250. So yeah, not a horrible box, not the best box ever, but it was fun to go through. If you enjoyed this, like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Alright, let's get rid of these Play-Dohs. So we're going to put in wrong section. Play-Doh. 5 boxes. Sorry, it's 6 boxes. Alright. Oh man, I swear. So much Play-Doh. You guys are going to see how much Play-Doh I have. Look over there. This is all Play-Doh under here. It's just intense, the amount of Play-Doh that I have. I don't know what I'm going to do with it all. If any of you guys know people that love Play-Doh and just don't get enough, because I'm sure there's someone out there like that, should probably just go to a daycare and get them to buy it all from me. Daycares might want it, or schools. I don't know. All I know is I've got too much. I cannot sell this much Play-Doh in my store. So the Amazon gods need to stop sending Play-Doh in my mystery boxes. Alright, so what is this? Barn and stable fly spray. Okay, so this is probably worth some money. I know horse stuff's always expensive. So let's see, the system's going to go and get comps for me from Amazon and Walmart and eBay. So it's come back at $42.49 for this. So we're going to put it in at $20.99, which is 50% off retail. Goes under the category pet. Asking me if I want to list it on eBay. I do not, because I have no interest in shipping this. And then that'll sell. And we've got a bunch of phone cases. So these are for... it doesn't tell me, so we'll have to open it later and figure out what it goes to. So 2, 4, 6, 8. This is my phone case box. 10, 12. And basically the way it works is we'll just process it later. We assign $5 value to phone cases because that's what we sell them for. So the box is at $149.22. So even though we got a bunch of Play-Doh, hasn't worked out to be that bad. Not a horrendous box. I have seen worse. This is something for a vehicle. This is going to go in my bins. The bins go out at anywhere between $5 and $12, and it goes down in price every week. Chicken and sweet potato recipe, Natural Balance. Is this human food or pet food? Dogs. So this is pet food, and the best buy is September 2028. So that's not bad. So we've got 2